Mm-hmm. Oh, oh. If you're walking beside me, if you're holding my hand, don't paint me a picture that's not what you planned. Don't hide in the shadows, don't cover the light. I'd rather know the hard road than be lost in a lie. Some words can break a heart, some tears can fall like rain, but honesty can heal what deception can explain. Hurt me with the truth, even if it makes me cry. Don't build my world with promises that disappear with time. Hurt me with the truth, let reality be seen, because a painful truth can heal, but a lie destroys the dream. Oh, hurt me with the truth and let my heart decide. I'd rather face the storm with you than live a peaceful life.
Don't say what I wanna hear just to keep me near. Don't silence your confession because you're afraid of fear. Every secret has a shadow, every lie leaves a scar, and the distance grows much wider than where the truth would ever start. The truth may shake the ground, the truth may change the way, but trust can still survive when honesty finds a way.
Hurt me with the truth, even if it makes me cry. Don't build my world with promises that disappear with time. Hurt me with the truth, let reality be seen, because a painful truth can heal, but a lie destroys the dream. Oh, hurt me with the truth and let my heart decide. I'd rather face the storm with you than live a peaceful life. Love is not protection from the things we need to know.
Love is having courage to let the whole truth show. Love is not perfection, it's standing side by side.
When honesty is difficult, yet there's nothing left to hide,
And God above can witness what every heart should be.
a love that's built on truth alone will stand eternally. Hurt me with the truth, even when the night is long. The truth may break me for a moment, but it helps my spirit grow strong. Hurt me with the truth, don't leave me in disguise, for trust is worth far more than comfort, and love is stronger than lies. Oh, hurt me with the truth, and whatever comes I'll face, for a heart that's built on honesty can never be replaced. Tell me the truth, let me cry, let me heal, let me decide, because truth may hurt once, but a lie hurts every time, and real love always chooses the truth.